Frankly, we were able to have a very good discussion. The defense and the state were able to discuss the case, discuss where we are with the judge and with each other.
Well, that was El Paso's new District Attorney Bill Hicks meeting with the judge and defense lawyers in the Walmart shooting case status hearing this afternoon. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Andy Morgan.
And I'm Natasha Paloma. This comes after the federal government set up a rearraignment hearing for the accused shooter Patrick Crusius, who is expected to plead guilty in the federal case against him. KTSM 9 News reporter Carla Draxler joins us here in the studio with what is next with the state's case.
Natasha and Andy, the state is still waiting for the federal sentencing of the alleged Walmart shooter to proceed with the case. But in today's status hearing, we weren't exactly able to hear what was being discussed as it was happening in Judge Sam Medrano's chambers. Today's status hearing held behind closed doors.
The defense is very focused on finishing out the federal case. They, of course, have their things that they're doing in order to be able to finish out the federal case. And the state is, of course, very focused on continuing our efforts to be prepared to go forward on the state case.
Judge Sam Medrano, new District Attorney Bill Hicks, and the defense attorneys meeting up for about 45 minutes to discuss how the state's case will move forward.
We can't do anything until the federal prosecution is done. They, of course, have the federal plea and then the sentencing, which I don't know when that'll be, but once the federal sentencing is over with, then it would hopefully come into state custody, and then we would set a trial date after that.
Accused Walmart shooter Patrick Crusius is expected to appear in federal court and plead guilty on February 8th. Defense attorney of over 40 years tells KTSM how long after that could the sentencing take.
You know, in federal court, it just depends on the judge's docket, but it's usually around 45 days to 60 days before he'll be sentenced. They have to prepare a pre-sentencing report by the probation department, and it usually takes them a while to get all the information available to the judge for sentencing.
After the federal sentencing, DA Hicks says they will be able to start setting up trial dates.
I'm not sure, 2024, maybe 2025, just not sure. That's completely up to the judge, and we'd have to meet again in order to discuss that.
Now, another thing that we were sort of expecting today is to find out whether the judge would be lifting the gag order. If you remember, this gag order was put in place last year on July 1st while former DA Yvonne Rosales was still in office. The judge decided he will not be lifting the gag order today, which means all parties on the case are not allowed to publicly speak of it. In studio, I'm Carla Draxler. Back to you.